Today we have a video from Police Body Cam Arrest HQ, and the title of the video is Woman Arrested at Dolphin Mall Using Stolen Debit Card.
Inside PacSun, they were stolen, and then the only reason I noticed is because I got a notification from my bank that somebody had bought something from Footlocker.
Head inside the car. Stop talking. Stop. We are in control of this. Oh, 2 credit cards? Oh.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good. So tell me what happened.
Okay, so we were at PacSun, and I had put like my keys somewhere, like right on top of like something I was looking for, and then when I went to go get them, they were gone.
Your keys?
Like, yeah, like my well, it's like this. So it had like money in it, all my cards, like my work key.
Okay.
And
inside PacSun, right?
Yeah, it's just inside PacSun.
Okay.
And then yeah, like they were stolen, and then the only reason I noticed is because I got a notification from my bank that somebody had bought something from Footlocker.
Okay.
So I ran to Footlocker. When I walked into Footlocker, they were there.
Okay.
But I didn't recognize them.
Right now, follow my instructions and I'll explain everything to you. You understand what I'm saying? About credit card. So turn around. Okay.
I got my own stuff in my wallet. Where is my wallet? Can I go make my purchase?
Safety and mine.
Yeah, man. For no reason, bro. Right here.
Whoa, don't move too fast now.
Both of them be 10 or what? Both be 10? You gotta be the 10 for now. Put your hands behind you.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind you. Put the baby in the stroller. Can you get the baby in the stroller? There you go. And then you want it.
So where I'm going?
But now you moved the 10, right?
So where we going with my wallet?
Right there. It's right there where you stuck.
The male subject in custody outside of.
What is like here?
Yeah, this is not the time for the camera, man.
I'm opening for my baby, sir.
There. Ma'am.
She doing too much movement, boy.
Car, right?
Here you go, right here. I'm not moving anywhere.
Hey, it's open, Maple. I'm gonna bring my car. I'm gonna put it inside.
I'm asking you to stand still. You can move it around. If you can't do that, it don't matter. It don't matter. That's not the problem. We're asking you to stand still. You can't be walking around doing this and that. You're gonna go in the car. Okay? So have a seat over here.
Put her in the
Stand over
car.
here.
She ain't acting right.
Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and pat you down there. Okay. Stand over here. Hold on. Okay, stop. You're doing way too much. Stand over here. You trying to take your jacket off? All right. There are your pants, and that's why you're hiding them in your clothes. Stand over here.
No.
They're investigating right now, so have a seat.
That's why I'm moving around. Can
I got
take
you.
this off? Please?
Okay, well, I'm not going to take off a cuff right now. You're moving around way too much. So
No, I ain't
just
say
have a
the
seat.
cuff. I'm talking about my jacket.
Yeah, it's fine. No.
Is this a way you can give me some water, please?
I don't have any water.
Nah.
Can you wrap my hair up for me? Here. Can you do it for me?
Boy, she asked for one more thing. I'm
Just
putting
have a
her
seat,
in the
please.
car.
Okay, no, I'm not going to give you no candy, no phone. Just have a seat.
Her nervous ass.
Just have a seat. Ma'am. You hear me talking to you? Have a seat.
I don't want to sit down. I'm hot.
Okay, well, I can't have you. You're walking up and down. No, you are. You're over there. You're over here. You're going to go in the car next.
Give me one of your candies.
We're not going to have no candies. No. I told you that like 5 times already. All right, you're going to have to take a seat. Take a seat, please. Can you open up your car just so I can open the door so she can have a seat? Yes, sir. I'm going to leave the door open. Just have a seat right here.
Oh, now you want to sit.
Okay, well, I'm not going to tell you again, though, because...
So I'm getting arrested?
Listen to me. Look at me real quick. Your daughter's here. Your daughter's doing show. We'll make it happen. Don't play games with me right now. Your daughter is gonna go with him. You're gonna get inside. Look at me. Look at me. Hello. Is that her father? You're gonna get in the police car without causing a problem.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Get in the police car now.
So I'm being arrested?
Get in the police car now. Walk over here.
He said
I like this, Sergeant.
Listen to me.
You gonna make a scene in front of your daughter.
Okay? Sit inside the police car. Nobody's leaving until we say it's time to go. Did you double lock her?
Yeah.
Man, this must be
Stay
Florida.
inside the car. Stop talking. Stop.
My baby daddy.
We are in control of this, okay? Nobody's gonna do nothing until we say.
Wait, hold on. This must be. Wait, hold on. A minute. Wait, no. 5:24. It said it in the beginning somewhere. 5:24. Sweetwater, Florida. Oh, okay. Yeah. That sound about right. They gonna get your ass together in Florida, boy.
Get inside the car. Sit inside the car correctly.
So I'm not going.
Watch your legs.
Let me get the. You have a Miranda card? The receipt. Man, what's your name?
Shaquanda.
Chiwanda?
Shaquanda.
Okay. I'm gonna read you your Miranda warnings, okay? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
Yes.
Okay. Why is this in your purse?
Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I was like walking out of the store after I was looking for like a shirt to get,
What store?
Paxson,
Okay.
and I seen the keys on the floor. And instead of me being honest, I took the keys,
Okay.
and I'm not like that, honestly.
Okay.
And I know that I did a bad decision.
But what happened after you took the keys?
I went and made a purchase.
Where at? Okay. And then what?
That was it.
That was it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, thank you for being honest with me, okay? Let me talk to my officers over here and just sit tight, okay?
Can I ask you a question?
What?
Would I be arrested, or can I get a promise to appear?
Okay. I'm gonna figure that out now. Just give me a few minutes, all right? Just be patient, all right? Oh, sorry, you all right?
Please, sir.
All right. Let me close the door and be patient with me, and I'll get with you, okay?
I wouldn't give her a promise up
Okay.
here.
Anything you want to tell me about the cash?
Yes, sir.
About this?
Sir, yes.
What do you want to tell me about this? What's that?
I'm gonna go to jail.
What? I'm asking you a question. Tell me about this. This is not yours. Okay. You sure, right?
Yes, the dollars are mine.
The dollars, right? You don't recognize this. This is not yours.
No, sir.
Okay. Why is it in your wallet?
I did, like I said, instead of being honest, I went inside someone's things that didn't belong to me and I took it out.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. So I got your card, your license. Okay. Those are
the young.
These are the person that reported the thing. Okay. So I'm gonna give this back to
Sir,
her.
please, can I get a promise
All right.
to appear?
She's gonna do a search on you. Okay, real quick. She's got to pass search really quick. Okay.
I'm going to jail.
Yeah, we're gonna give you a promise to appear, all right? We're gonna give you a promise to appear to the chow hall, man, to the mess hall, man. Get you some bologna sandwiches or some peanut butter sandwiches. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a long night. You need to get that bond money ready, baby. Get that bond money ready. You doing too much. You fidgety. You come on, man. You taking things that's not yours. And then you using it as if they not gonna get an alert. We all got alerts on our phone. Like, what? As soon as we make a purchase, they gonna be like, oh, ding, ding, ding. Did you just make this purchase or whatever the case may be? Nah, yeah, we gonna give you a promise to appear, all right? Yep. We're gonna get you a job in the mess hall, man.
Either way, you're still under arrest right now. Whether it's a PTA, you go to jail, it's still an arrest. Okay. So
you can just please for my baby, please.
no, you kidding? She's safe right now. She's with her daddy. He's the father, right?
Please.
Okay. All right. Give me a moment. I'm gonna talk to my sergeant, and I'll tell you now what's gonna happen. Okay.
Give her at least a year.
I'll come right back. Okay. Huh?
Is he good to go? Or
Yeah, he's good to go. I just needed to find this. This belongs to the victim, and that's it.
Oh, 2 credit cards?
It's two cars and $50.
Oh!
What's your name, sir?
My name is Manuel.
Let me see your.
Maybe you trespass from
Let me see your ID.
Okay, that means you. Yeah, give it back.
All right. Thank you.
That means that you can't come back.
I can't come.
At least for a year. Okay? After, look, some of them honest. After, it's okay. After a year, then they'll forgive you. But for right now, you're gonna go.
Fresh.
Hey,
Okay.
I need to speak with him as far as with my keys and stuff. So what I'm being arrested? What I'm
We're
being
gonna tell you right now. All right, step out real quick for me. I'm gonna just pat you down here.
Fresh.
All right, listen. Okay. No.
Come out.
All right there. Spread your feet real wide.
Come out.
She not listening, man.
Face me.
So it's 2 things, all right? Why?
You know, in the street, they do them little bullshit searches, man.
where's the baby?
All right, listen. Pay attention. He's talking to you.
You understand? Okay. If not, I will PTA, but not with the fraud. I can't do it. Okay.
No, it's not even that. It's just.
I was speaking. That's why you gotta be so. Don't disorder. Hey, listen. Don't disorder conduct. Don't disorder
Listen, we're
conduct.
giving you the courtesy that you're talking to her.
Yeah, I know. I
She
said.
shouldn't be talking to anybody. Get inside the car and close the door. And you get out of here. That's it. We're done.
You heard me? My keys, my
Ma'am, get
phone,
inside
my
the
wallet.
car.
Don't give them nothing.
Ma'am, get inside the car. Get inside the car,
I
man.
am, sir. You ain't giving me a chance to get in the
Get
car.
inside the car.
Let me get in the car.
Get
Bro,
inside the
let me
car.
get in the car.
Inside the
Why
car.
you pushing me, bro?
Get inside the car. Get
I
inside the
ain't fight you
car.
back. You ain't gonna say I fought you.
Get inside the
Only thing
car.
y'all
I'm not
say
trying to
is
fight you. Get your ass
I'm
inside
trying
the
to get
car.
myself in the car, bro.
Okay.
You don't try to say that I touched you, bro.
Let go.
Right now, cause
Why you don't chill
It's
out?
clear. Clear.
Oh, he's still there?
I've already told you 3 times. Clear.
I said, but that's my daughter, mom, baby.
You got 2 seconds to clear because your ass going to jail next.
Yeah.
And that's why nobody talks to anybody once they're inside the car.
yeah.
Okay?
Good job, son.
Damn, I'm in jail on a Friday night, man.
Yeah. You'll be there till Monday.
The woman in custody is Shaquanda Deshay Jean-Baptiste. She is a 42-year-old female who got arrested at the Dolphin Mall in Sweetwater, Florida. She was charged with unlawful possession of a stolen credit card, petty theft, resisting an officer without violence, and contributing to the delinquency or dependency of a child. She was booked at the Turner Goldfield Night Jail and was released on an unknown bond. It's important to note that she tried to get away with spending exactly $210.23 at Footlocker with her stolen credit card.
Please like and subscribe.
Damn. So they ain't. Damn. I wonder how much time they gonna give her, man. At least, you know, something like that. I think at least a year or 2 is sufficient. You know, depending on her history and stuff like that. But man, I like that sergeant, man. He was straight to the business, you know. Anyways, yeah. So I think the officers did the best job they could. I'm gonna give them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think they did. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video.